Hello. Welcome to Study English with Teacher Un. My name is Sally. Today, I have a quiz for you on using articles a, an, the. Let's start. Number 1. We consider the noun phrase after the article. In this sentence, we consider the word umbrella. In this situation, the speaker is not mentioning a specific umbrella. He or she means any umbrella. So, in this stage, we do not use the. Umbrellas are countable. And the word umbrella has no s. So, it is singular, and we may use a or an. However, the word umbrella starts with a vowel sound. Therefore, we use the article an. Number 2. In this sentence, we consider the word salt. In this situation, the speaker is mentioning a Pacific salt shaker. So, we use the article the. Number 3. In this sentence, we consider the word sun. There is only one specific sun. So, we use the article the. Number 4. In this sentence, we consider the word elephants. We mention elephants in general, not referring to any specific elephants. So, we do not use the. Elephants are countable, and this word has an s. So, it is plural. And we do not use any article. Number 5. In this sentence, we consider the word water. We mention water in general, not referring to any specific water. Water is uncountable. So, we do not use any article. Number 6. In this sentence, we consider the word guitar. When talking about playing a music instrument, we commonly use the. Let's compare to this sentence. My dad bought me a guitar yesterday. The speaker is not talking about playing. And he or she is talking about it in general. So, we do not use the in this case. Number 7. In this sentence, we consider the word blue. The speaker is mentioning this color in general, not referring to any specific blue. So, at this stage, we do not use the. Blue, or any color else, is uncountable. Therefore, we do not use any article. Number 8. In this sentence, we consider the word glass. The speaker is not requesting a specific glass. He or she can have any glass, as long as it is containing water to drink. So, at this stage, we do not use the. Glasses are countable. And the word glass has no s. So, it is singular, and we may use a or an. However, the word glass starts with a consonant sound. Therefore, we use the article a. Number 9. In this sentence, we consider the word university. Although the speaker studied at a particular university, he or she is mentioning it in general. So, we do not use the. Universities are countable. And the word university has no s. So, it is singular, and we may use a or an. However, the word university starts with a consonant sound. Therefore, we use the article a in spite of the vowel letter u. Number 10. In this sentence, we consider the word our. The speaker is mentioning it in general, not referring to any specific hour. So, we do not use the. Hours are countable. And the word hour has no s. So, we may use a or an. However, the word hour starts with a vowel sound. Therefore, we use the article an in spite of the consonant letter h. Number 11. In this sentence, we consider the noun phrase, interesting book. Although the speaker is talking about a particular book, he or she is mentioning it in general. So, we do not use the. Books are countable, and the word book has no s. So, we may use a or an. However, the word interesting starts with a vowel sound. Therefore, we use the article an. Note that, to use a or an, we consider the first word in the noun phrase. Number 12. In this sentence, we consider the noun phrase, friendly elephant. Although we are talking about a particular elephant, we are mentioning it in general. So, we do not use the. Elephants are countable, and the word elephant in this sentence has no s. So, it is singular, and we may use a or an. However, the word friendly starts with a consonant sound. Therefore, we use the article a. Again, to use a or an, we consider the first word in the noun phrase. Number 13. In this sentence, we consider the word children. In this situation, the speaker is mentioning specific children. So, we use the. Number 14. In this sentence, we consider the word gym. In this situation, the speaker is mentioning a specific gym, where he always goes. So, we use the. Number 15. In this sentence, we consider the word school. For places where we go as part of our life, for examples, home, school, church, we commonly do not use any article. Let's compare to this sentence. My dad went to the school to talk to the teacher. Dad does not usually go to school. He went to the school because he had a particular business to talk to the teacher. In this case, we use the article the. That's all. What is your score? I really want to know it. Please tell me in the comment. And I hope you have gained some knowledge of English from this quiz. Thanks for watching. If you have found this video useful, you can subscribe, so that you won't miss the next videos from us. See you at the next video. Bye.